In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Circle. So, to get started, log into your Circle account and open your community. From there, click your community name or logo in the top left corner. This will open the main navigation menu for your workspace. Next, select Site Builder. Once you're inside the Site Builder, choose the website page you want to customize. After that, look to the left sidebar and click the design icon. This is where Circle keeps the visual settings for your website, including your branding options. Now that you're in the design area, find the brand section. This is where you can manage the visual identity of your site. Click Manage Brand to open the branding settings in more detail. Here, Circle may let you choose whether you want to edit the light mode or the dark mode version of your branding. Make sure you select the one you want to work on first. Then look for the favicon image option. The favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, so it should be simple, clear, and easy to recognize at a very small size. Once you've found the favicon setting, click the current favicon image thumbnail or the replace option. This will open your file picker so you can select a favicon file from your computer. Choose your branded icon and upload it. After the upload finishes, check the preview carefully to make sure the image looks sharp and readable. Because favicons are so small, detailed graphics usually don't display well. In most cases, a clean symbol or simplified version of your logo works best. After your favicon is uploaded, take a moment to review your branding changes. Make sure everything looks correct before saving. When you're ready, click Update Site Theme. This applies the new favicon to your Circle website. Finally, don't forget to check both light and dark mode if your Circle setup uses different branding assets for each one. Circle allows things like your logo and favicon to be customized separately for light and dark themes, so it's a good idea to confirm that your favicon stays visible and looks polished in both versions. If needed, repeat the same process for the other mode so your branding stays consistent everywhere. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon in Circle.so and given your website a more professional branded